A special presentation of medical items brings much needed supplies for the health sector, advancing efforts in amplifying efficiency in national healthcare services. This consignment of materials comes from the United Nations Fund for Population Affairs, which handed over a massive delivery of medical equipment to the Ministry of Health. The medical equipment includes a consignment of 60 delivery beds, 5 anesthetic machines, 10 oxygen containers, and 1,000 dignity beds, amongst a host of others, procured through the China Aid project aimed at strengthening effective healthcare services across the country. Ndei Rosar is the UNFPA country representative.
UNFPA reaffirmed its unwavering commitment to supporting the government and the Gambia and its partners in provision of essential health services, and especially for reproductive health and rights of women. We are at 289 maternal deaths per 100,000 live births, and the minister and I know that it's still very high. The SDG asked for 70 per 100,000 live births.
The Chinese ambassador to the Gambia, Liu Qing, disclosed that China is one of the strongest development partners of the Gambia, noting that since 2020, the Chinese government donated millions of dollars to the country, earmarked to support the Gambia's health sector.
Exchange and cooperation in the health and medical areas is one of the priority of our bilateral relations. Since 2020, the Chinese government has donated 6 million worth of assistance to our Gambian friends in the form of projects and medical equipment supplies like today's. Now we're very happy to see that our cooperation exchange is going on very smoothly with the help of the Ministry of Health and the cooperation with UNFPA.
Health Minister Dr. Ahmad Lamin Samate hailed the Chinese mission in the Gambia for strengthening support to the health sector, adding that UNFPA has been a pivotal source of assistance to his ministry, providing midwifery capacity training for the health ministry, among other programs, including the provision of equipment to ease critical healthcare conditions.
Today, the items we receive here are remarkable. 60 delivery beds. That's not a joke. That's very, very big. What that means is that these women now can deliver on proper hospital beds, on proper delivery beds. That's what it means. That means the labor will be will go on in a better environment. It will be uneventful, inshallah, with the proper equipment, and also the staff will be able to deliver the women without straining their back. That has been a very difficult thing in this country.
The handing over of these medical items also marks the culmination of the China Aid project, which has been providing support mechanisms in diverse areas building human capital, including sexual and reproductive health services and protection of healthcare workers during the COVID pandemic. In a separate but similar engagement, the National Public Health Laboratory, under the auspices of the Ministry of Health, also received a consignment of biosafety and lab equipment from the Health Security Agency based in UK. The director of the National Public Health Laboratory, Sirifo Jang, said the donated lab items will critically uplift the capacity of the biolaboratory services.
The handing over of these tools is going to capacitize our biomedical engineering unit, and they will be able to provide the services of our biosafety cabinet on time across the country. Right now, we're spending a lot of money through the Global Fund. Partners come from outside to provide this, and a lot of money is spent on it. So that money could be put into other use if the capacity of the biomedical engineering units are built.
Speaking at the handing over ceremony, on behalf of the UK-based security agency, Dr. Bonmi Negedu Momo disclosed his organization's commitment to supporting sustainable development, saying the donated equipment seeks to assist the health ministry's quest to enhance biolab capacities in the Gambia.
We decided that we will be supporting the biosafety cabinet feed certification program because we saw that it was very enormous gap in the region and also for the country, like what the director mentioned. So this initiative aligned with the international health regulations, especially regarding biosafety and biosecurity standards, and it includes covering also the annual professional certification fees.
This medical equipment handed to the Health Ministry will significantly complement the government's efforts to improve health services, curtailing the burden of inadequate medical care and emergencies across various hospitals in the country. Ibrahim Jallo, GRTS News.